Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you guys. So Umi Smile sent over some e-files. So they sent over a gray and pink one, and it says for acrylic nails. So let's see, I'm gonna do the pink one. They look like they're going to be the same. Okay, so it is a portable drill. That is one tiny drill. So you get some sanding bands. I like the feel of this package. You have, it looks like fine, and you have coarse, and then it looks like there's some mediums under there. And then your pink, or your blue are your fine. Ooh, and then you have, so these are really good for buffing your natural nails. These guys, I love using them. And then you got some stone ones, and then your diamond. And you guys know you have your standard bits that usually come with these types of drills, except for these are looking pretty good. The last couple e-files that I have gotten, these have actually been pretty good. I have been impressed. So if they're super sparkly, you know that they are a higher quality, sorry, going the wrong way, than just some darker ones without that like shine. And then you have your power. And okay, so this is their pink one that looks purple to me, although maybe looks pink. Okay, pretty standard. So it is not charged, or it's not actually wireless. It says portable, but doesn't necessarily say wireless. Well, that's not in English. So it is not wireless, it is just portable, meaning it's just an e-file. So let's plug her in. Thankfully, I have USB, is that a light? There is a light here. Is this one of those pressure ones? Not my fave. Here are my bits, right in front of my face. Okay. Forward. Reverse. Off. Forward. It says it can go through acrylic, but we'll see. Okay. Let me turn that off. Okay. Forward is actually down this way. So it took off the gel polish without any issue. However, I don't think I would want to use these on enhancements, especially for a longer period of time. It's not that I don't think it could do it. I mean, it clearly does it, but I had it on full power and I was not able to get any like chunks out of it. Like, I would be here for a while. So personally, I would probably use this on natural nails. That's probably why these would come in handy significantly more. I don't think I would use this on nail enhancements. Doesn't mean you can't, it just doesn't seem like it would be powerful enough to do an entire set, especially where these are not soak off, these are file off, where acrylic is harder than the builder gel that I have on. It would have a significantly harder time than what it did on this, but it did work. However, I think my opinion is going to be it should be on your natural nail. I'm going to take off this guy and try one more time before. Yes, I'm still gonna say it should be used on natural nails. I just don't think it has the oomph to do fake nails, but it definitely will be able to handle natural nails. And then you have like this guy to do callus removal. I think it would do great, but overall I don't think it has enough power really to do artificial nails. So I want to thank Umi Smile again for sending this over to me. If you have any more questions, go ahead and leave them below. I will also link my e-file testing playlist for you guys. I have probably 8 or 9 different e-files that I have tested from Amazon. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.